All right, welcome to Big 10 PD. This is part B of 10 apps in 10 minutes for older science students. And so this will be number 6 through number 10. And so number 6 is build a cell. Are you a biology teacher? I actually pulled it too far, but that's okay. Are you a biology teacher who wants to make the discovery of cells interactive? Never worry, there's a site online called Build a Cell where you can actually build cells. Build a Cell is actually a game that lets the user build animal cells, plant cells, bacteria cells, and fungi cells virtually. What better way to learn cell structure than through a game that makes it increasingly interactive? And now I already have opened it up on the web, so feel free to stop, play with it, and get started straight from the video. Now number 7. Number 7 is the Life Cycle app. Students in biology classes study life cycles, and the Life Cycle app gives you an easy visual way to learn that. The Life Cycle app gives students a visual depiction of the cycle of life for several animals, such as frogs and butterflies. It also gives the cycles of nature that are very important to life on Earth, such as the moon cycle and photosynthesis. It does cost 99 cents, but isn't that worth it to give a great representation of life cycles? Now, this is an iOS app, so I'm actually going to open up kind of a review of it instead of it actually on the App Store. So if you want to go and find this, it's on the App Store, but here's a review that will tell you more. Now, number 8. Number 8 is Earth Viewer. How cool would it be to follow how the Earth developed? The Earth Viewer app lets you do it. Earth Viewer is an app that lets you focus on a specific landmark, and you can see how it changed over time, from the landscape to geology to human interaction. It's all based on scientific research. This would be a great tool for a geology class or a bio class to study how the Earth developed. Now I'm going to open this up on the web. Feel free to stop, play with it, and get started straight from the video. Now number 9. Number 9 is the Periodic Table Explorer. Do you need to explore the periodic table? Well, there is an app for that. The Periodic Table Explorer gives you all the reference material you need to succeed in a chemistry class. It includes the compounds, physical properties, and even images, and even more than that, of periodic elements. The Explorer has versions for iOS, Mac, and PC, so you can get it to fit almost any need. Now I'm going to open up, of course I'm going to open it up on the lab. Feel free to stop, play with it, and get started straight from the video. Now number 10. Number 10 is Video Science. Now science is a subject that really needs great videos. You can show kids experiments and explore all kinds of the world's scientific actions. Video Science gives you access to that video library. The video library focuses on all kinds of experiments, and it's hosted by a teacher from the UN International School. The whole idea is to get kids excited about science and maybe even give them a few experiments that they can do at home with their parents. Now I'm going to open it up on the web. Feel free to stop, play with it, and get started straight from the video. And thanks for watching. You can find more on my Twitter feed at LD112265, or of course you can find a lot more at edtechspeeddating.com.